I designed and 3D printed this putty knife, which is pretty nice in my opinion. Pretty strong, pretty good, pretty cheap versus picking one up over at do-it-yourself stores. So that's available on Maker World. You can go and check it out. So was checking the radon in my basement and noticed I had a bunch of gaps. So after filling it up, I had to use some hydraulic cement. And to mix it, I wanted to put it into my own little similar paint mixing tray, or you can call it like a cement tray. I'll be putting the cement into here. I'm using the putty to apply it to any gaps, and then probably most likely caulking it as well. But I wanted to design this in 3D printed, that way I can make them anytime I want. It comes in this size, and then there's also a slightly larger size that you can print that takes up the whole bed of the Bamboo X1 carbon. Check it out at Maker World. I was only supposed to put enough of this foam to go to about an inch away from the top of this plastic tray, but of course it expanded like crazy. I put a lot in there, so, but it's not really airtight for radon. Like the hydraulic cement will be. As you can see, I got a flatter surface now by using the putty knife to clean up all that foam. That way I can put in the hydraulic cement so it'll expand, and then caulk it all up so that it's all essentially sealed up. Okay, so we got the hydraulic cement here. I'm using solo cups, pretty fancy. Just all the instructions and the amount that you're going to use on each. For water, based on water and the cement. To add some water here per the instructions if it's a nice dry location. Prevent the water from leaving the mixed concrete. Doesn't have to really look that pretty because this is the unfinished part of the basement, and more than likely this is going to be pulled right off if we go ahead and finish this, turn this into a shower. So be aware of that. Not the end of the world. This stuff gets pretty hard, pretty fast. And the nice thing is that this can be technically, rinsed out if we need to, but essentially we can throw it out, 3D print another one. Looks like I was able to even clean out the bin as much as possible without active water. So still somewhat usable. I was able to use the edge of this to clean off the putty knife. I need to use it again, so I don't have to necessarily throw it out, but if I need to, I could just 3D print a new one. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, thoughts. Do you do the same thing?